Today's lesson focuses on hand and finger placement on the clarinet, as well as how to press the keys to produce different notes. Let's get started. When holding the clarinet, your left hand should be on the top of the instrument, with your thumb resting on the thumb rest. Your index, middle, and ring fingers should be covering the first 3 holes on the upper joint. Your pinky should be covering the keys on the lower joint. Your right hand should be on the bottom of the instrument, with your thumb resting on the thumb rest. Your index and middle fingers should be covering the first 2 holes on the lower joint, and your ring finger should be covering the 3rd hole. Your pinky should be resting on the key nearest to the bell. When pressing the keys, it's important to use the tips of your fingers to cover the holes completely. This will help to produce a clear and accurate sound. Your fingers should be curved and relaxed, with your nails trimmed short to avoid any interference. Pressing the keys. Each key on the clarinet corresponds to a specific note. To produce a note, press down the key with the tip of your finger, making sure to cover the hole completely. The more keys you press down, the lower the note will be. Experiment with pressing different combinations of keys to see how it affects the sound. And it's also important to note that you should use a light, quick motion when pressing the keys. Do not press too hard or linger on the keys, as this can cause the note to sound out of tune or squeaky. Now, let's try playing some notes using our hand and finger placement techniques. Start with middle C, which is played by pressing down your left index finger on the first key of the upper joint. Then try playing the D note by pressing down your left index and middle fingers on the first 2 keys of the upper joint. Remember to keep your fingers curved and relaxed, and to use the tips of your fingers to press the keys. Practice playing different notes and combinations of keys to get familiar with the finger placement and pressing techniques. Great job today! Next lesson we will learn how to play our first simple song on the clarinet. Keep practicing and see you soon. What? I did not say that. I'm going to play the clarinet parts of the Coronation Street theme tune now.